Think about it. The major events that we go through take some time. Having a baby takes 9 months plus the time it took to get pregnant, but that's usually the fun part. Planning a wedding or getting engaged averages right about a year. And let's talk about retirement. That takes 40 years. Hi, I'm Stephanie Souza and I'm here to help you with your credit. Think about it. Most of life's big events require some time to plan, and it's no different when you're thinking about buying a new home. So why not start planning ahead for your home purchase, especially if you want to maximize your credit? Increasing your credit score takes about 4 to 6 months. Buying your home is a major financial transaction, so planning ahead is the smartest thing to do, especially if you know that increasing your credit score will give you the most opportunity to buy the home you want and get the best terms on that purchase. Gaining trust with lenders by increasing your credit score takes some time. So be sure to click the link below and contact me for some more easy tips. I'm Stephanie Souza, and I love being there for all the big moments of my clients. So be sure to reach out to me for any of your home buying or selling needs. My team is here to help.